Hey guys, it's VertiBlocks Gaming, and today we're doing a Phantom Forces episode on the channel with the Penguin 178. He literally just bought the Dragunov Svds yesterday, and we're gonna try this thing out. Now with data collection than now with more data collection than the NSA. What does that mean? What is the NSA?
What do you mean?
What does the NSA stand for?
Dude, is that truly impossible to look at the game?
Okay, guys, so let's get into this. Penguin, if you guys are new to my channel, please subscribe, turn on post notifications, and leave a like on the video. Penguin, I'm spawning on you. Got down there. Where did you die? And we just lost. The best way to lie is to tell the truth. Carefully edited truth. That's funny. Dude, I literally spun my knife around and it teleported me out. Are you on my team? Oh, phew. I thought you got switched off my team. That was close. And I'm already about to be 48. I was 48. They de-ranked me one. Okay, suicide. First, get the game. Come on. V. There, got it. I said no scope. Okay, next time you die, no scope, okay? Dude, when I tell you no scope, next time actually give me a no scope one. Move! Flipping. Ow. Kill the guy. This gun sucks. You literally cannot hit a single person with this thing. I'm literally not hitting a single person. Dude, how do you flip and hit somebody with this? Dude, what scopes do you have? I need you to give me one either without a scope or a better scope. I'm literally not hitting a single shot. Okay, so... I haven't got a flipping single kill. Run! No! Jeez, I just got BFG. This time, dude, Penguin, do you have any better scopes? Any ones that actually zoom in? All the way? Not yet or yes? Do you or do you not? No! I got transmit out there. I backstabbed somebody. I literally hit somebody in the back, I hit somebody in the back. Penguin spawn on me. Penguin flipping spawn on me. Dude, I don't flipping have any. I don't have any flippin' Robux, so don't ask me for that. Dude, you can flip and go buy your own. Dude, don't waste Robux on this game, seriously. Not worth it. Booyah! Frickin' BFG. Yeah. No! Go! Why is it secretly annoying? I don't get that. Ow! Ah! What the flip? There's a guy machine gunning me with an AWS. How is... Hi. Yuda, spawn in. Dude, spawn in. Yuda? How about that, guys? Technical difficulties. He just accidentally hanged up on me. Okay, let's do this. Let me call him. Hello? Could you spawn in and give me your gun first? Really, Yuda? And that's it, guys, for this video. See ya. If you guys are new to my channel, please subscribe, turn on post notifications, leave a like on the video, and leave a comment down below for what you want for next video.